Welcome, engineers. This is the Trajectory Planning Point-to-Point Interactive Calculator, which computes optimal motion profiles for moving between two positions. Let's explore the inputs. First, select your calculation mode from 6 options: Cubic Polynomial Trajectory, Quintic Polynomial Trajectory, Trapezoidal Velocity Profile, S-Curve Trajectory, Time to Reach Position, or Maximum Velocity Computation. For this demonstration, I've selected Cubic Polynomial Trajectory. Now enter your parameters: start position Q0, end position QF, total move time t, start velocity V0, end velocity VF, start acceleration A0, end acceleration AF, max velocity Vmax, max acceleration Amax, max jerk Jmax, evaluation time t, and target position Q. For our example, I'm entering start position 10, end position 1.5, total move time 2.0 seconds, both start and end velocity at 10 units per second, and both start and end acceleration at 10 units per second squared. After clicking Calculate Trajectory, here are our results. Position at t equals 12.8750 units. Velocity at t is negative 25.6250 units per second. Acceleration at t is negative 99.7500 units per second squared. The calculator also provides peak velocity of 25.6250 units per second, peak acceleration of 28,000 units per second squared, and the polynomial coefficients A0 through A3. This calculator streamlines trajectory planning for robotics and automation applications. Find the link in the description below.